Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Skechers Max Cushioning Elite 2.0 sneakers. Enjoy! The sneakers arrived within a week of purchasing, closer to the end of that week though. And they were shipped through FedEx. And I purchased these shoes through Skechers online, where I was able to use points that I've accrued through their rewards program. So I was able to get a discount on these through those rewards points, which is nice, and that's why I like Skechers. Not only are they comfortable, but I like them because you can save a lot of money on them. But these are looking nice. These came in the black pink, and they're the 2.0 Elite, so Skechers had Max Cushion for a long time, and that's what I was normally purchasing, were my Max Cushions. But I wanted to change up the color and style, and I thought pink and black would go with most of the things that I wear. Now I'm going to use these sneakers for all of my exercising and daily walking, outside walking, that is. And I found that over the years, these are really durable for any outside activities. They hold up for roughly the 6 months, or a little bit longer. And they stay pretty clean. Now this white part, you just need a scrub brush to get off the dirt if you've been walking in a muddy area, but they stay pretty clean for the most part. So let me check the sizes. These retailed for $100. Yep, and they're both in the size I ordered. Now, some people forget to take these little marketing pieces of paper that are tied to the laces off. I like to take them off before I wear these. But for this demonstration, I'll just put these sneakers on to see how they do. You know what? Most of the time when I buy $100 pair of sneakers through Skechers online, I normally get like a magazine catalog with a free tote bag or a deck of cards, and that's kind of disappointing that I didn't get that this time. It could be based on the type of shoe that you purchase. I'm not quite sure how that goes with packaging. That didn't come. So, alright, let's go try these on. Overall, the fit of this Max Cushion Elite 2.0 Breakthrough was great. It fits true to size. There's no wiggling of the toes or the heels within the sneaker when I'm walking. The heel has a lot of cushion. It can withstand a lot of impact. This would be a great exercise, running, or even a walking shoe, to anybody who's interested in that. Now, Max Cushion Elite, there's a wide variety of styles in that, so go online on Skechers.com and pick out a style and a color that you like most. Some come in wider widths, so for those that need that, get that. It's going to be true to size and it'll be very comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Have a great day, everyone.